Daniel, which cake are you gonna choose?
Mario.
Mario. Did you see the cake?
We wanted
And Spider-Man?
Monster Jam, but when we came, they didn't have it. So.
At all?
No.
Did we already choose your cake, son? You like your cake? Yeah.
It's my baby's birthday today. How old are you, Daniel? 10. And he wanted to come to Boardwalk. Look at this. It's like an arcade. We're gonna have some fun, right? Yes. We're about to check in for Daniel's birthday party. We have to wait right here. Let's see the cake. Are you excited? This is what you wanted, right? Yes. Girls against boys. Come on. Damn. It's gonna go down right now. Whoa.
Let the game begin.
Over here. Get out. Boys winning. Help me. Get out. No. Get her.
Game over. Returns your recharger. Thank you for playing
Yes.
Laser Try.
Yes.
Red team victory.
We won! We won! We won! Angel kept getting Elizabeth. I kept getting Elizabeth, so that's why. I kept getting Elizabeth.
Really?
It's 1-3-1. Red team wins.
We did it again. That was fun! Well, let's get on a ride and let's walk. I fly to the sky like a bird. Okay. This is what I call it! Woo! Woo! Yeah! That was quick.
Did you have fun, Daniel? How was the last ride? Oh my god, look at your hair.
You ready to eat, baby?
Yes.
These are the pizzas we got. Look at Amy's eating. We got the grandma eating. We got meat lovers, cheese, pepperoni. That's my sister-in-law. That's my dad right there.
How did we cheat?
My father-in-law.
What you got?
I got me pepperoni, and I got meat lovers and some cheese.
Of course. You hugging all the chips, Daniel?
You gonna have fun, Daniel? You having fun? What did you get for your presents? No, you don't know what you have for your presents?
Look at my parents. They're so romantic. Crazy, right? They're awkward. Look at
Oh, stand right there, Daniel. Face me. Stand right there in the middle. Yeah, right there. Smile. My baby. Okay, let's sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you. Make your wish. Blow your candles. Come on. Blow it up. Blow, 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 blow. All the way, all the way. All the way. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, Daniel. There you go. Que le muerda, que le muerda.
Queremos pastel, pastel. Come on.
we take them all.
One little bite.
Let's move the candles first. All right. Okay.
Put them all here.
Be careful, Angel. Be careful. Be careful.
Be careful by the whack.
Okay, you want to bite it?
I think he's gonna cut it right now.
You want to bite it? You want to bite it? You want to bite it? Go, 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 go.
No, just like
Do we move the cars?
How's your cake? What'd you get? Chocolate and what? Oreo? Oreo. Do you have something to say to the birthday boy?
I love him. I'm busy. I don't like to talk when I'm moving.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so you got 125 more credits, so you can play more games.
Damn, we're gonna be sick all day. What about you, babe? When we got into the cart, guys, it was like it started leaning over.
Put me on blast. This goes faster than it looks, okay?
Yeah. I think so.
It's going slow right now. It's going slow. Wait for it. Okay. It's going. It's going.
Oh, I'm gonna break a rib right now.
You okay? We're going back now. It's going back now.
The pizza's catching up to me.
We're having fun in the kids' ride.
How does he know?
They're watching the Chargers game. Well, it's commercial right now, but they had to put the game.
He's watching it too.
Where'd you go? Oh. The kids are watching it while they're playing over there at the same time.
Daniel comes down and he goes, yeah, I know. It has 21. I'm like, oh, you watching it too?
What's the score right now?
Right now it's I think 21-6.
Chargers versus who?
Bengals.
Touchdown. Look how pretty it looks, all lit up. That's so pretty.
It's right there, Dad. Oh, that one. I think there was like a... You saw the office? I think it caught her off guard.
Let's see what you got then.
What do you guys say?
Thank you, Joanna.
And we're ending the night. Daniel, did you have fun?
Yeah, they...
Yes. Happy birthday. Love you.